Hi, Jordan Hansen here from Cobalt Intelligence. Today we're going to talk about business data in Kentucky. We're looking at the Kentucky business search. We're going to go through how to get the data just with the normal portal so you can go through and search for it. We're going to show you then how to use it in the Cobalt Intelligence portal to kind of start an example how we can get it via API. Then we'll show you how to build that request with Postman. So you can just use that. You can import it into your own thing, whatever. And then we're going to go through our JavaScript SDK. Let's get to it. We can look at the various fields we have available in Kentucky. And here they are. It has the two key ones. Actually, it's really good. These two key are critical. Everything else you expect this to have. Industry, okay, industry is nice, great to have it, but isn't common. Now these information, the officer information and the organization data, critical. Let's go there. Kentucky, I'm gonna search for pizza with extra cheese, hopefully. And this is what the thing looks like. We can search over here for business name, and I think we're going. Oh, there it is. You can't see the spin. That did take a long time. Let's go pizza and company. And there we can see our information. So we have our officers, sweet. We have all the documents, sweet. All this great stuff. Oh, I wonder if we have both officers. That's something to think about. Interesting. No, this is old ones. I don't think I get these. These are ones like, so if the business originally started in what, 1980? So, all right, there we go. That's that. We're gonna go to the Cobalt Intelligence portal in here, and we're gonna search for that. So we're gonna go over here. We're gonna look at Kentucky right there, submit. And it's going to get that data right now. Oh yeah, so this is it. You can sign in. This portal really is used for testing. Some people use it for more of a production purposes. We have a batch tool as well where you can search via CSV. You can see it right there. Typically, you're going to come in here just to test to make sure the data is as good as we say it is. And it's as fresh. We don't make up any of this data. We're not caching the data. We're not serving the cache data, I should say. We cache it, but we use this primarily. Here are all the reports. There's a bunch. This has been there since 1980. So there we go. There we got officers, all that information right there. Now let's go over here. This is Postman. Postman is a tool you can use to create like web requests. You can export them over here even. So it's kind of cool. You can get them in different things like curl, Java, whatever you're using. It really makes it easy to import these or export these. You're going to pass in this data like this. You're going to pass in the search query parameter, search query, literally search query, and that is your query parameter. And then you're going to pass in your state, which is Kentucky, and you're going to pass in your headers, which is x-API key, and the API key that you have over here. You can see it up here, there. And then we get all that same data here, see? So now we're gonna show you how to do it in our SDK. We're gonna do that with code right here, right there. KY, we're gonna send search. And this is how we do the SDK. Now this is public. We'll have a link to it in the description, but you're gonna import the SOS API. You're gonna send in the API key, and then you're gonna do SOS API.get business details. And then you're gonna send in things like business name, state, and a screenshot. Other things you wanna search for, street, city, state. Ooh, that's a lot of documents here. All right, here you can see we have the screenshot URL that came because we searched for it. We added that parameter. There we go, Kentucky Secretary of State. So you can see it there. We have this ugly looking URL down here. This is cut off our timestamp. We'll have to fix that. But you can use this as proof that you've been to this page and you've shown that you've done your due diligence. And that is the end of Kentucky.